This is a routine for the picture puzzle. It's going to show the three boards on the screen, the one on the left, center, and one on the right. First, it does the one on the left, which is the completed picture of the puzzle. It first sets the picture number to 2000. Sets rotation to 0, tall to 50, width to 50, and the XY position to 30, 125. Then it starts around the loop for I of 0 to 24, which means it's going to go around 25 times. Right away, it shows the picture. Up here are all the control registers necessary to show a picture, so it shows the picture. Then it says, I'm going to increase the value of X by 40, but, well, I can only do 5 pictures, so once I get over a certain value, I have to go back to setting X back to 30 and go down 40 pixels to the next row. Then I increase the picture number by 1, and I show the next picture. So it goes around, and it's going to show all 25 of the pictures of the pieces on the left side. I up the screen, and now what we're going to do is we're going to show how it displays the puzzle in the center of the screen. Here again it sets P, the picture number, to 2000, rotation to 0, tall to 80, wide to the same thing, 80, X position 285, Y 70. Then for I equals 0, to down here where I 24 by 1 at a time, so it's going to go through all 25 pieces. First thing it says, if the realized value for that piece is less than 99, that piece has been realized, so it goes to AC. Here is AC down here. It says tall 80, wide also 80, show the picture. So if the picture has been realized, that means that one has already been made. All right? If it was not less than 99, it continues on, sets TS to 20, WS to that 20, makes the color black. Then it says, if not equal, the red mark equal to this index number. Well, then it goes to AB. However, if it is equal to this index number, it changes the color to 900. That's called the active color. When here it's going to make an oval, it is going to be the active color. So it's either going to be black, or if it's equal to the red mark, it's going to be red. It's going to draw the oval, and then it's going to go down to AD, down here, adds to the value of X, 65, but must make sure it's still on the same row. If it gets beyond the end of the row, it has to come down here and set XS back to 285, which is the beginning of a row. As you can see up here, we set it to 285 at the beginning. And then it changes row by increasing the value of Y by 65. Then it also increases the picture number by 1, and then goes back to the beginning and does for the next picture. Those that are realized will be shown. Those that are not will either have a black oval or a red one. I up the instruction list again so we can see the third part where it shows the puzzle pieces on the right side of the screen. It first starts, sets R to 0, T to 80, W to the same value, XY position to 650, 40. Then for I 0, and then down here to 24, one at a time, it's going to show all 25 pieces, well, or not show them if they've been used. Okay, first it checks to see branch if not equal to 0 to AI. Well, that means that the piece has already been picked. So you don't display anything. However, below that, it would mean that the piece wasn't used yet. So it sets the picture number to the piece's number. Remember, these pieces are randomly positioned on the right side. They're not in order of their picture number, but randomly numbers were put into the piece number. So we set P to that value, and then we add 2000 to it because the picture numbers start at 2000. Then we show the picture. Alright, so where they're been used already, there's nothing, but if it hasn't been used, the picture is displayed. Then we add 80 to the X value, but if it's gone beyond the end of the row, we have to bring it back to 650 and drop down to the next row by adding 80 to Y. Alright, so that is the right side of the screen. That's the end of this routine.